Justice 1. In a narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 4721, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, advised that those who acted with justice will be sitting on thrones of light close to Allah the Exalted on Judgment Day. This includes those who are just in their decisions, in respect to their families and those under their care and authority. It is important for Muslims to always act with justice in all occasions. One must show justice to Allah the Exalted by fulfilling His commands, refraining from His prohibitions, and by facing destiny with patience according to the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. They must use all the blessings they have been granted, in the correct way, according to the teachings of Islam. This includes being just to their own body and mind by fulfilling their rights of food and rest, as well as using each limb according to its true purpose. Islam does not teach Muslims to push their body and minds beyond their limits, thereby causing themselves harm. One should be just in respect to people, by treating them how they wish to be treated by others. They should never compromise on the teachings of Islam, by committing injustice to people, in order to obtain worldly things, such as wealth and authority. This will be a major cause of people entering hell, and has been indicated in a narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 6579. They should remain just even if it contradicts their desires and the desires of their loved ones. Chapter 4 An-Nisa, verse 135.
O you who have believed, be persistently standing firm in justice, witnesses for Allah, even if it be against yourselves or parents and relatives. Whether one is rich or poor, Allah is more worthy of both. So follow not personal inclination, lest you not be just.
One must be just towards their dependents, by fulfilling their rights and necessities, according to the teachings of Islam. This has been advised in a narration found in Sunan Abu Dawood, number 2928. An important aspect of this is teaching their dependents about Islam, and the importance of implementing its teachings within their lives. They should not be neglected nor handed over to others, such as school and mosque teachers. A person should not take on this responsibility, if they are too lazy to act with justice in regards to them. To conclude, no person is free of acting with justice, as the minimum is acting with justice in respect to Allah, the Exalted, and oneself.